Let's talk about the latest launched TECNO smartphone Pop 8 with minimalist square shape. Now, let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with approximately 84.6% screen to body ratio, with approximately 267 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with 0.08 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 Go Edition operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75, plus 1.6 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55. Powered by Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 3 GB of RAM with 3 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, and plugs with 4 GB of RAM with 4 GB extended RAM, and 64 GB or 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB of dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 75.6 by 8.6 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options mystery white, alpenglow gold, magic skin, gravity black, colors to see in this phone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the smartphone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speaker and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. Expected priced in Pakistan for 3 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 27,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 4 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 31,999 Pakistani rupees, while the 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 35,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Pop 8? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.